Law of course. That's one of the interesting subjects, right? I hope all of you are happy where you are. I actually services or judicial exams. You're still exploring. That's nice. Any one of you who has a definitely realize it's very difficult?
Yes, I know. But still I know.
It's a challenge.
Yes.
I think all your knowledge of law will make a better bureaucrat.
Definitely.
Maintain a balance in your life. Never go in for shortcuts. Don't read the life stories of some of the people who inspire you. You realize that everybody has undergone how they overcome. Maybe that will help you. You and your teacher and their teachers.
So how can we contribute?
No, it is better now. It's much better. And as far as the district judiciary is concerned, over there, the experience at least we had in Punjab and Haryana was we had 70% recruitment of women judicial officers.
Yes. Yes.
75% here. It's a beginning. It's a beginning. So the glass ceiling, there is a case for our young boys to be educated even better, coming from the young boys. So that's how it has to come. But don't let that deter you. Isn't it?
What is your true name? Sriram.
There's a very successful lawyer by that name also.
Yes.
Obstacles are meant for a purpose. We have a hurdle race, don't we? So life is like a hurdle race. At every point of time, you will face hurdles. Don't think anybody has a life which is just a bed of roses. It's not. And incidentally, even if it's a bed of roses, please think of the possibility. So take life as it comes, treat it as a challenge. The question is not what you are achieving. The question is how is your journey progressing? It's not always a big fat bank balance which will make you happy. After all, you see so many very, very successful lawyers giving up very lucrative practices. They come onto the bench. If it's only money, they wouldn't do it. They wouldn't leave their practices. It's something, sometimes as they say, money is not enough. There are so many other things worldwide must have told you at some point of time. Money is important, but only as long as it just meets your basic needs. Beyond that, money is not important. So, you keep that in mind and forge ahead fearlessly and execute. I wish you all the very best. All of you. Sit down, please. First of all, thank you. You are really, you're all grateful to shaping our future. And are all of you well? I've just realized I was having a talk with you. If I'd known you all were here, we could all have just got together, maybe disrupted your class. All the very best. About this profession. You are in which year? First year. So there's a number of dreams in the mind. Right? So I love them. It has, Abhi said, what has struck you?
It is very general, but really the pressure is building.
Law is not so glamorous
Yes.
as it appears to be.
Yes. Like I watched this series called Suits. It's not like that.
Of course not.
It's not like that. It's definitely not like that.
Of course not.
Yes.
There's another serial also on this. Yeah.
So, coming to law school, I have this similar. I will be great at everything. I will study, I will read 10 books in 1 month. Nothing is of that sort of happening.
No, but then you can be great at it.
Yeah, but I will time for that. I used to think if I read, I listen to a
You're vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Non-vegetarian. So, any idea how long it takes to cook mutton?
I just know in my house it takes 3 hours.
Yes. So, and a broiler? Much less. Much less. That's a chicken broiler, so something like that.
1 hour.
Yeah. Not even 1 hour. Sometimes you can taste the dish with mutton. You will need to put in that effort, right? There is no way mutton will be cooked before those 3 hours, isn't it? So that much of hard work you will have to put in, isn't it? And whatever you see in the serials and the movies, of course, that's a different thing altogether. You might even see people in good positions. You're meeting me today, right? You'll feel, oh, क्या बात है, हाँ, तो मौज है, you know, मौज नहीं है. To come here also, it takes a lot. You see, all that slogging that you don't see. You even do not see what we are doing every day as judges. Right? What you see is maybe what is there on live streaming these days. That before we come to court, we are probably like 10:30 will be in court. Till 4:15 we are in court. 4:15 we come out of the court and we are in our chambers. That's where the real work starts. Whatever we have dictated, that correction will have to be done. Right? Orders which we haven't dictated but we have pronounced in court, we have to write them. On the weekend, long orders, we have to sit down and write them. Right? So there is no holiday, there is no weekend. Then there is administrative work also. Judges have to do that. But that nobody sees. What they see is, oh, what a glamorous thing. For a lawyer also, lawyer has to prepare cases, has to sit down in the office. For the next day's cases, if the lawyer is not prepared, he or she is going to have a bad time in court. How are they going to answer to their clients? It's just not possible. So there is no shortcut to hard work at any point of time. And there is a common refrain, they say law is one subject where there is never any let up. You're studying your whole life. Yes, you are, but at the same time, any other profession also which you take up, there also if you want to excel, yes, you have to work hard. Mediocrity, if you are happy with mediocrity, then it's okay. But if you want to excel, you have to work hard. There is no other way. None whatsoever. As that very crude example that I gave you, you can't cook mutton quicker. It will take its time. Right? So that will happen. So I wish you all the very best. Yes, tell me.
What would you suggest for
Becoming a judicial officer, as I said, of course you have to work hard as for other streams also. But please take your time in making up your mind. It is a commitment. Becoming a judicial officer is a commitment. Don't think of it just as a livelihood. A judicial officer has a life very different from a normal bureaucrat. The mistake often made is that you will compare yourself with maybe the state executive or the union executive, the UPSC, an IS officer or an IPS officer. You would compare yourself with them. No, your life will be very different. A judicial officer has to maintain a lifestyle which, if I may say, not exactly as a hermit, but has a lot of restrictions. You cannot move that frequently. You cannot have interactions with so many people. It's a way of life. It's a way of life. You have to be committed. So please explore all possibilities. See for yourself. You will be given the opportunity You will have court visits, you can have internships, you can see what you like. And then make up your mind, because your profession is something you Monday should be a I mean, frankly speaking, I love Mondays. There's a structure to my day. So then that would be my advice for you. Make up your mind after exploring all possibilities. And once you've made up your mind, great. Last two. So most of you probably may be out of your residences and the protective umbrella of your home for the first time, right? Peer pressure is a real thing. Please let me tell you. Peer pressure is not a myth. So by now your parents have sent you here, placing all the trust on you, thinking that they have raised you up to be responsible adults so that you can do what is not good and then conduct yourself accordingly. What Justice Chancellor says is very correct. Please do not get misled, waylaid by a number of pressures which sometimes come in here, and there may be influences of certain things, certain persons, which you may not even know, but they are being percolated in a particular fashion which may be very attractive to all of you. So please be careful about it. Stay focused, stay clean. I couldn't have put it even better. I am outspoken when it comes to me. Maintain a holistic lifestyle. That is extremely important. The kind of society we live in, we have access to a number of things, and it's not necessary that you have to experiment everything to realize whether it's good or bad. We all know that. We don't need to burn our finger to know that my finger will hurt if it burns. So please do keep all these things in mind. Take care and wish you all the very best. God bless you.